I know, it was dumb, but I was sitting watching TV the other day and I had a pen in my mouth, one of those invisible ink pens. Well, the guy on the TV got kicked in the junk and I flinched like all guys would. I accidentally bit down on the pen. Well, I ended up having to wait in the emergency room forever for somebody to see me. And as you can tell, I'm still waiting for somebody to see me. Just kidding, I'm here. Alright, quick question. Does this outfit look familiar? If you pay attention, it should. I'll give you a hint. Look over my left shoulder. No, my other left shoulder. My left shoulder is on this side because the camera flips everything. There you go. Yep, the inspiration for this outfit came from this dog. I hope you like it. Welcome to the Dad Bod, and welcome to 2021. 2020 was a rough year for everybody. Well, everybody except for Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon, whose net worth rose by something like $60 billion. I mean, what do you even do with that much money? I know I'd be at the Huntsman shop on Seville Road in London getting me some killer bespoke suits made. I can't say 2020 was a horrible year for me. I did miss out on my trip to Edinburgh, Scotland with my brother, but on the other hand, I proposed this year. She said yes. We moved in together. And aside from the lockdowns, not being able to sing karaoke and not being able to visit family as often as I'd like, it hasn't really been that bad. I found some new free time and I'm using it right here to make this channel. And speaking of this channel, you're not here to hear about my year. You want to know about this box, the gentleman's box. My lady signed me up for this for Christmas. It was a Christmas present. I haven't been able to do any research on it beforehand, so let's find out together. Are you ready?
I can't hear you!
Normally I'd tell you about the subscription and how it works and the cost, but if I do that, I might end up seeing what's inside online, so I'll do that at the end of the video. So make sure you guys stay till the end, and you know, while you're at it, you're already here, might as well hit that subscribe button below. It should be just down there, so hit the button and the notification bell, and then you'll be notified when my next video is released. I try to do about 3 a week, either unboxings, clothing reviews, style tips and tricks to save money while looking dapper. So we got the gentleman's box. So it's got a slot right here that says tear here. How to be a true gentleman. Look good, relish in luxury, take pride and showcase your tastes for exquisite style. Feel good. Satisfy your need to feel happy and be confident in your sense of fashion. And be good. Discover yourself as the true gentleman, keeping courteous, honorable, and well-mannered. A little bit gray on the well-mannered, but I've got the rest of them down. So there's this little pamphlet in here. It starts off with a word from the co-founders of the Gentleman's Box, and then it says they're honoring somebody. Doesn't say their name, but it refers to them as the Equalizer, and then it references his acting roles as Malcolm X, Frank Lucas in American Gangster, and Coach Herman Boone in Remember the Titans. Plus the name Equalizer, it's pretty easy to know that it's Mr. Denzel Washington. It says this month's box features red, inspired by the team colors from the movie Remember the Titans, to which I quote, "Many would agree to be one of the best football films of all time." But what about The Longest Yard, The Waterboy, or The Replacements? I'm pretty sure John Wick isn't too happy to hear about this assumption. Same with Bobby Boucher.
Mama said that. My mama said that. My mama said that. My mama said that. My mama said that.
So then it looks like the rest of the pamphlet is just going over some of the items in the box. I'll use that to help me explain the items as I showcase them. So we have a Sip and Savor wine coupon. It says it gives you $20 off when you purchase an annual subscription. I'm not really much of a wine drinker. I prefer Blue Moon, Hefeweizens, or Grey Goose and Gold. Alright, so I'm going to keep this here to kind of help me out so that way I have some information to give to you as I open everything up. So the first thing we have is a Kings Stay Kings brand tie. It's a Canadian company. They did give us Justin Bieber, but they made up for it by giving us Wolverine and Deadpool. So this is a burgundy with white dots, and it says it is 100% cotton. And then the next thing we have is Kings Stay Kings brand shoelaces. So they're red, elastic, and polyester. So it shows in the picture how to use them with more of a casual brown dress shoe with broguing. You really wouldn't want to put these on a more professional dress shoe, especially a black dress shoe, unless you're trying to make a fashion statement. So then we have a, let's go to the page. So then we have a Howard Matthews lapel pin. This is what looks like rose gold, and it looks like a rose. Also from Howard Matthews, we have a tie bar. It matches the pin, same color, same material. It says the lapel pin is $15 and the tie bar is also $15, both from Howard Matthews. So then we have a pair of Dead Socksy burgundy with gray polka dot socks. I really hate wearing socks, but when I am out, I love wearing socks that just pop. You know, single color socks, they're so boring. Yeah, there's a time and place for everything, so I do have single color socks for when I need them, but I also have plenty of colorful socks as well. And lastly, we have a white box, and inside this box is another box that says W. Marison, established 2016, and it's a watch. So I wonder if W. Marison is referencing Warren Marison. He's one of the people that created the first quartz clock, which is, you know, basically the technology that we use to make quartz watches today. It's a nice watch. It's made out of stainless steel. It's got rose gold, which matches the lapel pin and the tie clip. And it's got a burgundy nylon strap. So yeah, I mean, just like the pamphlet said, they're all going to have the burgundy red color theme going on. And I think it'll look really nice in a blue suit with brown shoes, and that's mostly what they show in the pamphlet with people wearing these items. So from the looks of it, they have two options. You can get the classic gentleman's box each month for $35, and it comes with 4 to 6 fashion and lifestyle accessories. Or you can get the premium box, which is once per quarter at $119 with 4 to 5 luxury goods based on the season. I think I'll save the premium for another time. I'm more than happy with the classic. The classic is $35 a month, or you can get it for $29 a month if you prepay for the whole year. You can cancel anytime, and it has free shipping. I'm still a little bit annoyed at the Wrist Mafia subscription box. I mean, you saw all that came in this box for $35. It comes with a tie, socks, a shoelace, lapel pin, the tie clip, and a watch. All for the same price as Wrist Mafia. And it's a popular name watch. It's W. Marison. I mean, it's a watch that's got a name, whereas Wrist Mafia sends a watch that doesn't even exist on the internet. If this box comes with a watch every month, I might just have to include it on the watch subscription playlist as well on the YouTube channel. Well, that's all for this video. Keep an eye out. I plan on wearing these items in an outfit sometime soon, so that way you'll be able to see how they look on me. And as always, I will see you next time.